Hi everyone. In the previous video we have studied that how to make pointers to object. This video is about void pointer. Void pointers are generic pointers and they can point to any type of pointer, any type of variable. Suppose at the time we are declaring a pointer and we are not sure that it will point to an integer type, float type or a character type, so we'll declare a void pointer and it can point to any type. And one thing about the void pointer, that we cannot dereference a void pointer. That means we cannot retrieve a value out of a void pointer. If we want to retrieve value of a void pointer, we will need to typecast it into the specific type of which we want to retrieve a value. So let me just switch you to the code so that you can understand it better. In these are the header files and using namespace standard. In our main function, just ignore this line. I have put these lines in comments so that I'll explain it to you after once we complete this part. In the main function, I have declared an integer variable and assigned it to 5. I have declared a floating point variable and assigned it to 3.14. I have declared a character and assigned it to the character A. In this line, I have declared a void pointer, and in this line, I have assigned the address of the variable A to the void pointer, and in this line, I am trying to dereference a void pointer. But as you can see here, I have written it that we cannot dereference a void pointer. So let me just compile it. See, there is a compile error that void is not a pointer to object type. If I am comment this line and again compile it, see, the error has been removed. So by this line we are clear that we cannot dereference a void pointer. Now I'll just remove this lines and put a comment over here and just run it. So I compile it and see, here 5 has been printed. So what we have done in this line, we have declared an integer pointer and typecasted the void pointer into that integer pointer, and we have dereferenced that that integer pointer. So how we have typecasted it? Declare an integer pointer because the pointer is holding an integer value. You need to write static cast, then angular bracket int. This type is actually the same type in which you want to cast it. So you want to cast it to the int type. So we have written here int, the star, and here is the name of the void pointer of which you want to convert. In this line we have printed the void pointer. So let me just compile it again. There are no error, run it. See, 5 has been printed. Now I'll remove the comment from this line. I'll put it here. Now in this line we have assigned the void pointer address to the variable b, and again typecast the void pointer into the float variable. You can see it here, static cast float pointer 1, and let's compile it and run it. See, 3.14 has been printed. Now I'll remove comment from this line also and just compile it. There are no errors and run it. See, the answer is 5, 3.14 and A. So all the three values are printed by the void pointer, but we need to typecast it. I just remove this line, remove the comment of this line again to show you that this was the only line which was creating error. See, there is a red mark on this line. It means that you cannot dereference a void pointer. So this is all about the void pointer. In the next video, you will be studying null pointer. Thank you.